Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Bitwarden and what you can actually expect from the basic version and the premium and what are the main differences. I'm not going to talk about the business, I'm going to talk about the personal account, okay? So primarily when you're going to look here for the free version, this is something that I was using for a long time because you got like unlimited devices, passkey management, all the core function, always free. But here you're gonna have also like integrated authenticator, file attachments, emergency access, security reports, and more. So with the premium, you have actually like more things, and you see right here. So then you're gonna have like send for direct encrypted sharing. You got also files here. You're gonna have two-step login, up to 10 hardware security keys. So if you actually like need that, also the encrypted file attachments, integrated like TOTP, maybe you would need that. Also wall health alerts and password, emergency access, priority support, self-host option you got on all, and pricing were like $1.65 a month. Now what I really like is that even for the premium account, it's not really expensive. So it's like, and even that you are like possible, and they even improve the whole user experience and user interface. So if you actually like need these things, and if you want to like support the developers, maybe the premium account is going to be like enough for you if you actually like need that. But many times the free account is going to be completely sufficient and you don't really need to even like upgrade. So that's just like my take on it and what I actually think about it. So it's still good, can you like still use it. So that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value. And have a great day and goodbye.